Hey friends, this is Samvats and I hope you guys are doing absolutely great in your life. In this video, we are going to talk about website development. We are going to see what is web development, what are the laptop specification required for web development, and we are going to see what are the technologies which you should learn in order to make your own website. So for all of that and more, please watch this video till the very end. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get all the videos update. So the first question is, what is web development? Web development refers to the building, creating and maintaining of websites. It includes aspects such as web designing, web publishing, web programming and database management. So first of all, let us see what is the laptop specification and software required for website development. There is no much specification required for website development. You can do website development from a basic laptop as well. But I will suggest you watching my laptop buying guide if you're willing to buy a new laptop, or if you're having an existing laptop as well. But still, I will suggest you to watch that video. You will find the link in the I button and also in the description. Now let us talk about what are the software required for website development. The first one is editor. Editor is very necessary because that's where you will write the code, right? Okay, so you can write the whole code for website in the simple editor like Notepad, Notepad++ as well. But I will suggest you using VS Code because VS Code offers you a whole environment for creating stuffs like this. VS Code is fully equipped for website developers, or even should say for programmers and developers. Okay, I will make a separate video for VS Code as well. But for right now, use VS Code if you are new to this. And now the second thing is browser. You need to have a browser from where you can test your website. Okay, from where you can test and debug your website. So I will suggest you using Chrome browser because it provides you many developer tools which will be very beneficial for you in the learning stage. Okay, now let us see that what are different types of web developers out there in the world. Okay, there are basically three kinds of web developer out there. Now we will see one by one that who are they and what are their specialization. Okay, so the first one is front end developers. Front end development means developing and creating the whole user interface of how the website will look like. Many people say that front end development is quite easy, but I will not agree to that because whether you will use or whether you will hang out on a website, it totally depends upon the user interface of a website. Have you ever thought by seeing on a website like, "Oh, see what a logic this website is using, see the functionality of this website"? No, we see the user interface and then we connect to the interface and then we use some website. Like people use Facebook because we connect to the user interface of Facebook. We connect to Instagram because we like the user interface of Instagram, right? We don't know, or we don't even think about the algorithm and function which Instagram is using. Okay, so front end is also very important and very hard thing to do. Now there are many and variety of technologies used in front end, but the most basic ones are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can make any website from these languages. If one has already learned these things, these three languages, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then I will suggest learning Bootstrap and jQuery as well. That will be beneficial for you. Now the second kind of web developers out there are backend web developers. Backend development is commonly known as server-side development. It is everything that users don't see. It consists of everything which is behind the scene, that how a website is actually working, how a website is actually responding to certain command. These all comes in backend development. Now, what are the technologies used in backend development? The technologies used are programming languages like Python, PHP, Node.js with Express.js. You can use these languages for backend development. You also need to learn some database languages like MongoDB, Mongoose, SQL for creating your database for your website. Okay, now the third kind of web developer, the third type of web developer is full stack developer. Now these are the ones who know both the things, who know front end and back end as well. Already, obviously the pay for these full stack developers will be higher than the rest of the two. Now there are also many frameworks in the market which is used in website development, but the major ones are React, Angular and Vue.js. We'll be talking more in depth about these things in the later videos. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get the notification of that video. This was all about website development. If you gained any real value from this video, then please hit the like button and please share this video with your friends and family. This is it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.